Hello gentlemen, we have a dirty problem today. 15 classic British cars got stuck in the mud, and to clean them up you have to guess the correct logo. Let's begin. Alright, let's clean the first one. Do you think it is Austin, Rover, Standard, Morris? Now here are your 10 seconds to think. The correct answer is Standard Vanguard, 1947. The diesel version was so loud, farmers used it to scare crows. Okay, what about this one? Is it Lagonda, Jowett, MG, or Reliant? The correct answer is Lagonda 3-liter. This 140 horsepower luxury barge shared its engine with the Aston Martin DB2, yet somehow weighed 500 kilograms more. Okay, let's clean up the next one. Paramount, Leyland, Lotus, Daimler. The correct answer is Daimler SP250, 1959. Britain's answer to the Corvette, if a Corvette was built by a tractor company. Alright, what do you think? Riley, TVR, Rolls-Royce, Nash. The correct answer is TVR 3000S, 1978. TVR modified the engine by removing all the parts that made it reliable, squeezing out 170 horsepower and 170 repair bills per year. Now what is it? Studebaker, Wesfield, Jowett, Packard. The correct answer is Jowett Javelin, 1947. Only approximately 23,000 made, and fewer than 50 survive, mostly as lawn ornaments. Okay, let's take this car to the car wash. Is it Caterham, Leyland, maybe Berkeley, or Kaiser? The correct answer is Leyland P76, 1973. Advertised as fitting a 44-gallon drum, because nothing says family car like petroleum storage. Alright, can you guess it? Land Rover, Lister, Rover, Singer. The correct answer is Rover SD1 V8S, 1982. Now, try to make it clean. Is it Tatra, Vauxhall, Morris, or Triumph? The correct answer is Triumph Mayflower, 1949. Just 12 remain on UK roads, mostly as horticultural features in posh gardens. Okay, here is your next challenge. Reliant, Talbot, Wolseley, Saab. The correct answer is Reliant Kitten, 1975. Ready to clean this car? Is it Rochdale, MG, Railton, AC? The correct answer is MGA Twin Cam, 1958. Aluminum pistons, forged crank, great for racing, terrible for owners who needed affordable parts. What about this one? Humber, Armstrong, Bristol, Rover. The correct answer is Rover P6 3500S, 1971. The Met Police used these until they realized Ford Granadas were actually reliable. Okay, what is your opinion? Do you think it is Norton, Ford, Checker, or Plymouth? The correct answer is Ford Falcon XY, 1971. Can you name this one? MG, ISO, Invicta, TVR. The correct answer is TVR S2, 1980. The S2's fiberglass doors were so flimsy, owners reported they'd pop open mid-corner if you breathed on them too hard. Okay, let's clean up the next one. Peerless, Austin, Elva, Ariel. The correct answer is Peerless GT, 1958. Alright, can you guess the last one? Chevrolet, Wolseley, Buick, Riley. The correct answer is Wolseley 6 110ths, 1961. And that's it for today's tour of Britain's forgotten automotive disasters. Hope you enjoyed uncovering these rusty relics. If you guessed more than 8 of these filthy classics, your car knowledge is scarily good, especially for someone your age. Until next time, keep those classics running, or at least keep them from crumbling into dust. See you in the next video.